Basic chocolate cake recipe for beginners. Ingredients: 3 large eggs, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 cups maida, 2 cups sugar, 4 drops vanilla essence, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half cup oil, 1 half teaspoon salt. And now we go to the method. So first of all, we're going to break 3 eggs and going into a bowl. One by one, we are putting the eggs in the bowl. Now with the help of a whisk, we are going to whisk, but before that we're going to add half cup of oil into it. All right, now we're going to whisk it really well, because we do not want any kind of lumps into it. So you have to beat it really well. You can also use an electric beater. Now we are going to add the confectioner's sugar, 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, all at once. Yeah, you've heard it right, all at once. And now we are going to beat it until it gets really softened. Yeah, just like this. And we are going to beat it a little more to form a paste, or to form a cream kind of mixture, just like you can see here. Yes, you have to beat it really well so that all the sugar is completely dissolved in the eggs and oil mixture. Okay, fine. So now we are going to add the 4 drops of vanilla essence for the fragrance in the cake and the flavor of vanilla in the cake. It's a chocolate cake, but this stuff is really very important to add vanilla essence into it. Yeah, we're going to beat it yet again so that everything in it get mixed and get mixed really well, just like this. Beautiful. Now we are going to take the dry ingredients. So 2 cups of maida goes in it, just like this. And into it we are going to add the baking soda and the baking powder, just like this. And after that we're going to add the cocoa powder. No, we're going to add the salt first. So half teaspoon of salt. Yeah. And after that 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Yeah, 2 tablespoonful of cocoa powder, just like this. And now we are going to stiff it really well. With the help of a strainer, we are going to stiff it really well, because we do not want any kind of lumps into it. So yeah, I'm doing it with the help of a spoon so that it just get along with it. So now this has gone into it, and we are going to add this mixture half by half into the egg mixture. So here we go with the half dry ingredients, and now we are going to whisk it really well inside yet again. Look at that. Wow, so beautiful. Yeah, you have to do it, and it's really very easy. And the cake that is going to make will be really nice and really lump free and really uniform. Now we are going to add the other half of the mixture, the dry ingredient mixture. Okay, and now we're going to yet again beat it really well. Now we will get to know that how much milk do we need. We are having a cup of milk with us, and we will put it in the bowl, like just like this, how much you need it. You will see the consistency, and you will get to know that how much milk you're going to add into it. So I have actually added the whole cup of milk into it because I wanted a really runny consistency for my cake and not very thick consistency, just like this. Really lovely consistency. And yeah, we are going to beat it little more so that every lump is gone. Yeah, just like this. So now we're going to take a pan. We are going to grease it really well with the oil on the brush, Just like that, you're going to brush it really well, very nicely, and also you're going to add into it some dry flour, just like sprinkle it, just sprinkle it. And but you have to make sure it is gone to all the sides of the pan, whether your pan is square or whether your pan is round. Now we're going to add all the mixture into the baking pan. So nice, just look at the consistency, it has to be like this. Yeah, so now we have to bake it, and look at it, how beautiful it is, how beautifully made. And we're going to cut it into a slice, and just to show you people that how beautifully, how softly it is made, just look at it, how beautifully it is getting cut. And now we are going to take a slice out, and look how soft and how spongy and how chocolatey it is now. Beautiful, very nice. So you have to make the cake just like this, and look at it, it has been risen so well, mashallah. So you have to subscribe our channel, please like and share and subscribe.